Pre-trial hearing, the election tribunal. It's been good so far. We're very helpful. We believe in the judiciary and we believe in the court of law and the justice for the ordinary people. We know that justice will be done here, so we look forward to reclaiming our votes. Thank you, Lagosians.
Hi, my name is Dr. Abiodun. I'm here with GRE's team and we are here to claim our mandate.
My name is Priscilla Amadi and I'd like to reach out to all supporters of the Labour Party, all the supporters of Badibo Revival across every political divide, every political party. And I'm saying right here at the hearing in this special court, I'm saying that we should not give up. We are here to ensure that justice reigns. We are here to ensure that the right thing is done, and we are here to ensure that the rule of law prevails and whatever in the correct way. So we have a strong case. We are making our cases, and our lawyers are right on top of it to ensure that every single opportunity to say what needs to be done, especially with what happened at the elections, which was not an election, it was electoral terrorism. We would not sit back and let it fly. So to all supporters, keep up the faith, join us in prayers. If you can, please make sure you come to Special Offences Court here in Ikeja, opposite the High Court, to come join us for the next session that's going to happen on the 31st of May. Looking forward to seeing you, and thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Asa, how are you? Everybody talk about so grateful. Thank you.
Hey, stay now.
For Lagos mainland under Labour Party. We give God the glory for everything, and we pray that God should return our mandate back to us by God's grace.
I came to observe today's court hearing, the pre-hearing, and I suggest that we should all come out for the next one courageously, because everything that happened today has stated that our mandate will definitely come back to us.
Your name was
That's Bishop. That's our lead councilman, the most powerful. I believe you are one of the councils.
Nice to meet you, sir.